Hi, my name is Teacher Nix, and I am a professional English teacher from the Philippines. I am also a certified TEFL teacher, and I have experience teaching English to Japanese and Chinese students of different ages and levels. I love helping students to improve their speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills. In my classes, I make sure learning is fun, engaging, and comfortable, so you can express yourself confidently in English. Whether you want to practice your conversation, prepare for your school, or build your grammar and vocabulary, I am here to guide you every step of the way. So, if you want to practice your English skills and learn English, what are you waiting for? I can't wait to meet you in my class. See you soon!